How to change your password on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then click these 3 points here, and now click this one, and now all you need to do is just find this one here, update password, and here you need to type your current password and then type your new password here, and here you need to retype your new password here, and then just click save and your password will be changed. And that's how to change your password. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.